Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. I'm going to go over a quick video on how to replace your rear windshield wiper. This is a 2018 Pathfinder, but for the most part this is the same for every vehicle. It is a little bit different than the front, so I thought I'd show you how. You can tell I left the window super dirty just so you could see that this thing, when it's on, is not really wiping much. You can see the smears in the dirt. It doesn't clean much. But basically, to get this off, super simple. You got your little thing here. Pull this up, and all you got to do, you can do this one-handed, is push this part outwards. It'll sound and feel like you're breaking it, but you're not. Just twist, like that. And then you can see on the bottom, maybe, just give it a wiggle. That little bar, slide it out. Make sure you don't let this thing come smacking down to your window. This is plastic, some cars it's steel, and you don't want to blow up your window. But as you can see in here, you just got the little notch, looks just like that, and basically all it's doing is letting that little bar in the middle there clip on. And now before you put your new one back on, if your window looks like mine, clean it. I use this stuff, it works awesome. Invisible glass, doesn't leave streaks, cleans up really good. So we're gonna squirt it down, doesn't take much. Just 3 little squirts like that will do the whole window. So we'll get her cleaned up and I'll show you how to clip the new one in. Alright, so your window is clean with the magic of YouTube, and now it's as easy as putting it back on. If you have a Pathfinder specifically, this is the wiper blade you're looking for. It's a 12-inch. There's your part number. And as you can see, it looks pretty much exactly the same as what we took off. So now you can see with the new one as well. It's got the little bar inside. And then if you're wondering whether it goes this way or that way, they only fit one direction. So you can see this has a slant. When you connect it, it's going to go the same way. If you were to flip this around, that's not going to work, right? It's going to bump into each other, so you know it goes that way. And then to put this back on is as easy as we took it off. Just get it lined up. Obviously it's much easier if you have 2 hands, but keep it kind of flat and slide it up towards the hole, because then when you get it down like this, obviously that's not in. You can just take it and give it a squeeze. It'll pop, and now she's all the way in. If you want to make sure, grab it, give it a wiggle back and forth. Doesn't come out. You can see, fits all snug, and you're good to go. Now it's very hard to film in there, but as you can maybe see, the 2 fatter parts on the end, each side of that pin is a little bit thicker. We'll click into the little claws there. As long as you hear the click, you can fold this back up straight. There they are, just like that. Put it down, and you're ready to go. So there you have it, guys. New wipers on. Easy as that. Like I said, it may feel like you're going to break it. You're not going to break it. It does take a little bit of muscle to get them off, but that's a good thing. You don't want it flying off when you're driving down the road and actually using it. So hopefully this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.